Hey everyone, so in this video we're going to learn how to do a waterfall braid. For this it really helps if you already know how to do a French braid or Dutch braid, so you can look back at the video that I made. There's a link on how to French braid, or if you already know, then you're good to go. So you're going to start by grabbing the front section of your hair. So you just go kind of from your part down to your ear and you grab that hair. Now, the size of the braid that you have will be determined by how much hair you grab, because even though you're going to be adding hair into it, unlike the French braid or the Dutch braid, it doesn't stay in it. So however big your braid will be with this much hair is how big it'll stay. So you can either grab more or less depending on that. So you're going to divide it into 3 sections, and you want to make sure they're pretty even. Otherwise your braid will look a little lopsided. Alright, so once you've got your 3 sections, you're just going to go ahead and start with doing, I always start with the front piece going over first. So in this case it's the left piece is going over, but if you were doing it on the other side, the right piece would go over first. Alright, now the braid, we're going to look at it sideways as we're going along. So we've got bottom piece, middle piece, and top piece. So we just put the bottom piece over into the middle. Now we're going to put the top piece down into the middle. But when we're doing that, we're going to grab a small section of hair. So what you do is you figure out where your hair is picked up right now. You go over just a little bit and grab that section right there. And you're going to put that over top with the piece that you just did, just like with the French braid. You're going to pull it tight. Now, you're going to bring the bottom piece up into the middle. And then when you're dropping this piece right here that used to be the middle, that's now the bottom, you want to separate out the original section of hair from the hair that you added in. The hair that you added in, you're just going to drop it and stick with the original section. So now we're going to go again. We're going to take this top piece, bring it down into the middle. We're going to grab the next little section of hair, put it over top along with that piece. So now it's in the middle. So we got top piece, middle piece, and bottom piece. So we're going to bring that bottom piece up into the middle. And for this piece, you're going to separate out the hair that you grabbed and the hair that started in the braid, and drop the hair that you grabbed. So now we're back to those 3 sections. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to bring the top into the middle again. Grab a section of hair. Bring it over with there. Now as you're going along, you want to make sure you don't get any loops in your hair like that just happened. Alright, so you've got those together. They're in the middle. So you want to grab, you've got top piece, middle piece, bottom piece. We're going to take that bottom piece, put it up into the middle spot. And of this bottom section, we're going to drop the new hair and keep the original hair. So we've got bottom, middle, top again. So we're going to bring top down into the middle, grab that next section, combine it with that. So now we've got top, middle, bottom. Bring the bottom up into the middle, and now we're going to drop the new hair, keep the original hair. And as you're going along, you want to pull all this hair that's dropped tight so you don't have any loops or gaps. Alright, so you've got bottom, middle, top. You're going to bring top into the middle, grab that next section of hair, join it in, bring the bottom up to the middle, and then you're going to drop drop that new hair. And then once you're satisfied with how long it is, you want to do just a couple regular braids, just back and forth to keep it tight. You pull it to the back and see how my hair is puffing up like this? So you just go from the bottom, pull it down tight, then you take a bobby pin and pin it in place. Then you can either use more bobby pins to secure it where it is, or just one, do the other side, and then tie them together. So that's it. Waterfall braid.